Speaking English confidently requires consistent practice with meaningful everyday situations. Shadowing develops natural pronunciation through repetition, rhythm, and continuous listening practice. Today, you'll experience an international airport before your unforgettable journey begins. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Early morning sunlight illuminates the massive international airport with golden reflections. Fresh excitement replaces uncertainty while approaching the impressive terminal entrance confidently. Automatic glass doors reveal countless travelers beginning unforgettable adventures across distant continents. Rolling suitcases create steady rhythms across perfectly polished marble floors inside. Large electronic departure boards display destinations stretching across every familiar horizon. Airline logos shine brightly beneath elegant architectural ceilings filled with natural daylight. Confident travelers move purposefully while carefully following overhead directional airport signs. The welcoming atmosphere immediately inspires confidence despite unfamiliar surroundings and expectations. Helpful information screens provide clear guidance throughout the enormous passenger terminal. Soft airport announcements echo gently between spacious halls filled with anticipation. Families embrace warmly before unforgettable departures toward exciting international destinations together. Business professionals walk efficiently carrying elegant luggage with remarkable confidence everywhere. Vacation travelers smile naturally while imagining unforgettable experiences awaiting beyond distant skies. Modern airport architecture creates impressive open spaces filled with light and movement. Wide panoramic windows reveal magnificent aircraft preparing carefully for upcoming departures outside. Ground service vehicles travel continuously beneath enormous passenger airplanes awaiting scheduled boarding. Experienced airport employees coordinate operations with remarkable precision throughout every busy area. Colorful departure displays constantly update important flight information for waiting passengers. Fresh coffee aromas drift gently from nearby cafes welcoming early morning visitors. Comfortable waiting areas offer peaceful spaces before exciting international adventures officially begin. Friendly travelers quietly organize personal belongings while reviewing essential travel documents carefully. Your carefully packed suitcase rolls effortlessly beside every confident forward step today. Months of planning finally become reality inside this extraordinary international airport. Every surrounding detail reminds you something unforgettable will soon begin permanently. Calm determination gradually replaces every remaining feeling of nervous anticipation inside. Walking forward now feels easier because everything appears perfectly organized ahead. Each passing moment strengthens confidence before reaching the airline check-in counters. Bright directional signs clearly indicate departures, baggage services, and passenger assistance everywhere. Professional airport staff assist travelers smoothly while maintaining calm, welcoming environments throughout. Your international adventure officially begins with this unforgettable first confident step. Overhead signs guide every passenger toward the international airline departure area. Each airline occupies designated counters beneath illuminated digital destination displays. Passengers patiently advance through organized lines without confusion or unnecessary delays. Travel documents remain safely organized inside an easily accessible travel folder. Every confident step brings the departure experience closer than ever before. Large digital monitors confirm your airline operates exactly from this terminal. Helpful airport maps simplify navigation across the enormous international departure hall. The correct airline counter finally appears beyond several orderly waiting lines. Professional staff efficiently assist travelers while maintaining steady passenger flow continuously. Luggage carts quietly move between families preparing for unforgettable overseas vacations. Electronic kiosks offer convenient alternatives before approaching traditional service counters. Many experienced travelers complete preliminary check-in using convenient airport technology. Your reservation details remain securely stored for quick verification during processing. Everything feels surprisingly organized despite countless travelers sharing identical destinations. Careful preparation transforms potentially stressful moments into calm, enjoyable experiences. Moving forward patiently becomes part of every successful international travel experience. Nearby departure screens continue updating important boarding information every few moments. Your suitcase remains perfectly balanced while approaching the designated airline counter. Every surrounding announcement reinforces the excitement of traveling somewhere completely unfamiliar. Bright overhead lighting creates an atmosphere combining professionalism with welcoming comfort. The organized environment encourages confidence throughout every stage of airport procedures. Every traveler quietly anticipates reaching their destination without unexpected complications. Airport employees demonstrate remarkable efficiency through calm professional customer assistance daily. Small children observe enormous airplanes with genuine excitement through nearby panoramic windows. Modern technology supports every essential process behind successful international departures today. Your boarding experience becomes smoother because careful preparation always creates confidence. Every completed step removes another obstacle before the unforgettable journey ahead. Patient travelers understand every organized process exists for safety and efficiency. The airline counter finally stands directly ahead without unexpected waiting anymore. Confidence replaces uncertainty while approaching the beginning of official travel procedures. The adventure now feels completely real with every confident step forward. Air travel suddenly becomes familiar instead of complicated or overwhelming. Every passing second increases anticipation for discovering remarkable places beyond familiar horizons. Your unforgettable international experience continues with confidence and complete preparation. The journey advances naturally toward the next important airport procedure. The airline counter welcomes every prepared traveler with efficient professional organization. A neatly organized workspace reflects experience, precision, and outstanding customer service. Essential travel documents remain ready before every important verification begins. Careful preparation saves valuable time throughout every international airport procedure. Your reservation information appears instantly within the airline booking system. Everything proceeds smoothly thanks to thoughtful planning before leaving home. Travel requirements become simple after understanding every necessary airport procedure. Every completed verification strengthens confidence before the exciting journey ahead. Your suitcase moves carefully onto the baggage scale without unexpected difficulty. Digital scales instantly calculate the exact luggage weight with remarkable accuracy. Every kilogram remains comfortably within the permitted baggage allowance today. Careful packing prevents unnecessary delays during the complete airport experience. Congratulations! If you reached this part of the video, you've made excellent progress today. For even better results, listen again without reading the subtitles. Repeat every sentence and write down everything you can remember. Then compare your writing with the original text. This simple habit will improve your listening, spelling, pronunciation, and vocabulary much faster. Practice a little every day, and you'll notice real progress. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next English shadowing lesson. Safe travels, and keep speaking English with confidence.